I'm Babsy B, and I have two more poems for you and me. These poems are from my collection, Animals, Insects, and Nature. Ready? The first one is named Bedrest. An animal rests in a pen or a nest or a den or river or sea. But I like to rest in a bed, and it's best if Teddy is resting with me. The next poem's name is A Year of Seasons. There are 4 seasons every year. Springtime comes just once each year. Then summertime means fall is near. When fall is done, it's winter. Then, when winter's gone, it's spring again. That's all for today. Come back right here for more poems with me, Babsy B. Bye.